So yesterday's video was about that blood drop in Hollywood on the hill. It opened a can of worms. So I just started looking around at the area there and the house that's linked to that property. And the front gate has a gate with cameras. It has a fence with barbed wire on it. So I don't know if taking a drive up there is going to be very fruitful as far as information. I went down a rabbit hole with this. Started looking into the area that I'm living in down here in South Bay, and just checking out some graffiti on the walls where I know a few people that have gotten a little space, like this guy right here. I used to do graffiti with him, and this guy right here too did a shark. Anywho, searching around here, and this is right by the beach. This is like the border of Redondo and Hermosa, and the beach is right here. Let me pan out of here so you can see where it's at. If you know this area, it's like kind of uppity. It's a Cheesecake Factory, Shade Hotel. I lived in this area right around here for a little while, and this kind of has the same weirdness of that last video, because I was just kind of looking around this area and I came upon this area down here. It's right by the harbor. I think it's a water plant. I mean, water. But I don't know, is that a helicopter pad? Like, why would you drop a helicopter in here? But yeah, they got little boats in there and whatnot. But what I found was weird was this right here is kind of, this building on this side is kind of cool. Like, there's like these big whales on it, but I never knew that this thing was destroyed on top. But as I was looking at that, I panned over and I saw this on the top of the roof. Dun dun dun. Now, why would that be there? Right here on the corner of Redondo and Hermosa Avenue is this water plant or whatever, and electric utility company. Okay, that's what it is. And yeah, we have a little pentagram right there. Interesting. This rabbit hole goes deeper. Why would that be right there? So we have the blood drop in Hollywood, and we have the pentagram in Redondo. What's going on, California?